Do you struggle with managing your tasks effectively? If so, stick around. Today, we're diving into the key to success, mastering prioritization. Let's see how it can change your daily life. Prioritization is an essential skill that underpins success in both personal and professional realms. In today's fast-paced world, where the demands on our time and attention are ever increasing, mastering the art of prioritization can make the difference between thriving and merely surviving. This guide explores the principles, techniques, and benefits of effective prioritization, providing you with actionable strategies to optimize your productivity and achieve your goals. Understanding prioritization. What is prioritization? Prioritization is the process of arranging tasks and responsibilities in order of importance, urgency, and impact. It involves evaluating the relative significance of each task and deciding the order in which to tackle them. Effective prioritization ensures that you focus on the most critical activities first, which can lead to better outcomes and more efficient use of your time. Why prioritization matters. Efficiency. Prioritization helps you make the most of your time by focusing on high-impact tasks that drive progress. Clarity. It provides a clear roadmap of what needs to be done, reducing confusion and indecision. Stress reduction. By managing your workload more effectively, you can reduce stress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Goal achievement. Prioritization aligns your daily activities with your long-term goals, ensuring consistent progress. Principles of effective prioritization. 1. The 80-20 rule. Pareto principle. The Pareto principle suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identifying and focusing on the tasks that fall into this 20% can dramatically increase your productivity and effectiveness. 2. Urgency versus importance matrix, Eisenhower matrix. This matrix helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, tasks that require immediate attention and have significant consequences. Important but not urgent, tasks that are crucial for long-term success but do not need immediate action. Urgent but not important, tasks that demand immediate attention but have little impact on long-term goals. Not urgent and not important, tasks that have minimal impact and can be deferred or eliminated. 3. ABC method. This method involves categorizing tasks into 5 priority levels. A. Must-do tasks with severe consequences if not completed. B. Should-do tasks with moderate consequences. C. Nice-to-do tasks with no significant consequences. D. Delegate tasks that others can handle. E. Eliminate tasks that are unnecessary. 4. Moscow method. This method is commonly used in project management and stands for must-have, essential tasks that are critical to success. Should-have, important tasks that add significant value. Could-have, desirable tasks but not essential. Won't-have, tasks that can be deprioritized or excluded. Techniques for mastering prioritization. 1. Goal setting. Clearly defined goals provide a framework for prioritization. Use the SMART criteria to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritize them accordingly. 2. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different types of tasks. This technique helps you focus on one activity at a time, reduces multitasking, and ensures that high-priority tasks receive adequate attention. 3. Task lists. Create daily, weekly, and monthly task lists to keep track of your responsibilities. Use tools like to-do lists, task management apps, or planners to organize and prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. 4. Delegation. Delegation involves assigning tasks to others to free up your time for higher priority activities. Identify tasks that can be delegated and empower team members or colleagues to take ownership of them. 5. The one thing. Focus on one critical task at a time. Identify the most important task that will have the greatest impact on your goals and dedicate uninterrupted time to complete it before moving on to the next task. 6. Mind mapping. Use mind maps to visually organize tasks and priorities. This technique helps you see the bigger picture, identify relationships between tasks, and prioritize based on overall project goals. 7. Reflection and review. Regularly review your priorities and reflect on your progress. Adjust your task list and priorities based on changing circumstances, new information, and feedback. Implementing prioritization in different contexts. Personal life. Daily routines. Establish daily routines that include time for high-priority activities such as exercise, family time, and personal development. Goal setting. Set personal goals and prioritize tasks that contribute to your well-being, relationships, and personal growth. Time management. Use tools like calendars, planners, and reminders to manage your time effectively and stay focused on your priorities. Professional life work projects. Prioritize tasks that align with your job responsibilities, project deadlines, and organizational goals. Use project management tools to track progress and deadlines. Team collaboration. Communicate priorities clearly with your team and ensure that everyone is aligned on the most critical tasks. Delegate tasks effectively to distribute the workload. Career development. Identify opportunities for professional growth and prioritize activities such as training, networking, and skill development. Academic life study schedule. Create a study schedule that prioritizes subjects and assignments based on their importance and deadlines. Allocate time for revision, practice, and rest. Exam preparation. Prioritize study topics based on their weightage in exams and your understanding of the material. Use past papers and mock exams to focus on high-priority areas. Extracurricular activities. Balance academic responsibilities with extracurricular activities by prioritizing commitments that contribute to your personal and academic growth. Benefits of mastering prioritization. Increased productivity. By focusing on high-priority tasks, you can achieve more in less time and make significant progress toward your goals. Enhanced decision-making. Effective prioritization helps you make informed decisions about where to invest your time and energy, leading to better outcomes. Reduce stress. Prioritizing tasks helps you manage your workload more effectively, reducing the feeling of being overwhelmed and enhancing your overall well-being. Improved goal achievement. Aligning your tasks with your goals ensures consistent progress and increases your chances of achieving long-term success. Better work-life balance. Prioritization enables you to allocate time for both work and personal activities, leading to a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Procrastination solution. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and set deadlines for each step. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and motivated. Distractions solution. Create a distraction-free environment by minimizing interruptions, setting boundaries, and using tools like website blockers and noise-canceling headphones. Overcommitment solution. Learn to say no to tasks and commitments that do not align with your priorities. Delegate tasks when possible and focus on high-impact activities. Changing priorities solution. Regularly review and adjust your priorities based on new information, feedback, and changing circumstances. Stay flexible and adaptable. Lack of focus solution. Use time management techniques like time blocking and the one thing method to stay focused on one task at a time. Practice mindfulness and stress reduction techniques to improve concentration. Tools and resources for prioritization, digital tools. Task management apps. Tools like Trello, Asana, and Todoist help you organize and prioritize tasks. Calendars. Use digital calendars like Google Calendar to schedule and prioritize your activities. Project management software. Platforms like Monday.com and Microsoft Teams help manage and prioritize work projects. Physical tools planners. Use physical planners to write down and prioritize your tasks and goals. Sticky notes. Use sticky notes to create a visual representation of your priorities and keep them in sight. Whiteboards. Use whiteboards to map out tasks, timelines, and priorities for visual clarity. Educational resources books. Read books on productivity and time management, such as The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey and Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Courses. Enroll in online courses on time management and prioritization, offered by platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. Workshops. Attend workshops and seminars on productivity and time management to learn from experts and network with like-minded individuals. Conclusion. Mastering prioritization is a crucial skill that can significantly enhance your productivity, reduce stress, and help you achieve your goals. By understanding the principles of effective prioritization, implementing practical techniques, and leveraging the right tools and resources, you can optimize your time and focus on what truly matters. Whether in your personal, professional, or academic life, prioritization is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving success. Start prioritizing today and experience the transformative power of focused and strategic action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share your prioritization strategies in the comments below. Let's master prioritization together. There are 2 videos that I prepared for you. These videos will add more value to your life. Click on one of them and watch to improve to your best version.